Welcome back to Truehost Academy. If you want to boost your website's performance and climb the search engine rankings, you're in the right place. Today, we're looking into a crucial tool for any website owner, Google Search Console. Stick around to learn how to use it to improve your SEO and drive more traffic to your site. First things first, setting up Google Search Console is easy and essential. Start by verifying your website. Google will ask you to add a small code snippet to your site. This code proves that you own it. Once you're verified, submit your XML sitemap. This file lists all your web pages and helps Google find and index them better. Finally, connect GSC to Google Analytics for even more insights into your site's performance. Now let's talk about using GSC to enhance your on-site SEO. Check the search performance data, which shows impressions, clicks, click-through rates, CTR, and average position. Impressions tell you how often your site shows up in search results, while clicks show how many times users clicked on your site. CTR reveals how often people click on your site after seeing it, and the average position shows your ranking. Identify your top performing pages and search queries. This data helps you see what's working well and where improvements are needed. Use these insights to optimize your title tags, meta descriptions, and content. Fix technical issues like broken links, redirect chains, and duplicate content to boost your site's performance. Next, let's focus on keyword research. The queries report in GSC shows which keywords bring visitors to your site. Look for keywords with high impressions but low CTR. These are opportunities to improve. Update your content to better match these keywords, helping your site rank higher and attract more visitors. For off-site SEO, check the links report. This report shows which websites link to yours. It's important to analyze both internal and external links. Internal links are within your own site, while external links come from other sites. Disavow any harmful links from low-quality sites to protect your reputation. And don't forget to build high-quality backlinks by connecting with other site owners. Finally, regular monitoring is key. Set up performance alerts for significant changes like traffic drops or indexing issues. Regularly review the coverage, experience, and enhancement reports to spot any problems and keep your site in top shape. Continuously use GSC data to make improvements and ensure your site runs smoothly. And that's a wrap on how to use Google Search Console to supercharge your SEO. It's a powerful tool that helps you understand your site's performance, fix issues, and optimize your content. Make sure to check out GSC regularly to keep your SEO on track. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tips from Truehost Academy. Thanks for watching. See you next time.